Do you know the French Beef Festival is coming back in November?
We should. Shall we try something fun with French beef? I'll try some French recipes and you try some Hong Kong ones.
Yeah, let's go.
We're going to cook beef bourguignon with pasta. Braise the beef in red wine. We recommend you to use a full-body red wine like a Shiraz, Merlot or Cabernet Sauvignon. In France, beef bourguignon is one of the most popular and comfort food dishes, and typically the beef cheeks and beef chuck is used for this dish. When you cook different beef dishes, you can use different cuts of beef. Each cut has its own different character. In France, there are 34 different cuts of beef in a cattle, and each different cut has its own unique flavor profile. It's very important to caramelize and roast the vegetables and the beef very properly so it brings out maximum flavor to the stew. Around 1.5 to 2 hours to cook. Right now, the beef cheeks are sitting inside a reduced sauce ready to serve and eat. And the beef is very soft.
We start to cut the beef for marinate beef with soya sauce, water, salt, pepper and some sugar. First we need to cut the beef bavette. Soya sauce, water, pepper, the sugar, some oil. Alors pour la recette du saté au bœuf, aux nouilles, je vous recommande d'utiliser le charolais qui se marie très bien avec le saté. Ça garde une texture assez tender et juicy quand on l'a fait sauter. En France, il y a plus de 22 races de bœuf, dont la plus connue est le charolais évidemment. On retrouve aussi la limousine, le salers, la blonde aquitaine. Et pour chaque recette, vous pouvez choisir un type de race de viande particulière qui va apporter plus de gras dans la limousine, plus de goût dans la blonde aquitaine. With a good recipe, everyone can be a good chef.
Now it's your turn to cook French beef at home.
Bon appétit!